like anything that we think of as blacks, we just make it live, okay? So now we are just like grateful for the chance that we had today on this station, like hi Mkhondo sizokwazi ukuthi you guys like lapha enkhona khona. I hope everybody is okay by this morning. So like there isn't much like esilethele kona bafethu, just to try to explore ourselves like ngayo yonke indlela, like yabo, like being pedestrian, and then we paid a stride from the other side, and then until we came this side. So yabo fotina lokho, it means a lot. So we just wish ukuthi support for nina abantu bangakithi, like you should show that kindness to us, like yabo uthando and all that. We'll just do the same. So yeah, for now, like thank you so much to everybody who's listening to this show right now. Shout out.
Yeah, bengithi ngeke uzuyishiya i-drip ngaphandle.
Senka kakhulu i-drip number 2.
Asibuye kunina ngapha busy nawe Davinci. Nisitshele ngengoma esingene ngayo njengamanje, nisitshele kabanzi ngayo. Ikhuluma ngani, niyenze nini? Why? Nihlakile kuthula.
What I do, sayenza, it was December last year. Because bengiloko ngibuka nje yabo indlela esiphila ngayo from ikasi nangendlela esaqala ngayo ukwenza music nale yami nje. I said ayintwana since sengilitholile ibeat, let's do what I do yabo. Because vele bekhona enye esayenza a year before. So lena it's a second version yale which means like ngafike lo mqondo ukuthi mhlambe like if ngayenza each and every year mhlambe ngonyaka nonyaka kube khona what I do engiyenzayo, just to promote yabo into engiyenzayo and stuff kanjalo.
Ngoba ke ngithina abanye bethu bafana nami nje abaningi asisazi isingisi. Sitsheleni ikhuluma ngani ingoma le?
Akusiningi kakhulu yabo, just nje indlela esiphila ngayo mfethu since yabo sakhula and stuff nezinto esizenzayo while sasekhaya sisahlanganisa everything nje kahle ngalo music nje ibest kakhulu lento esiyenza ngomusic.
Njengoba nisebenze nobabili kule ngoma, beniqala ukusebenza nobabili noma khona eminye imisebenzi ekhona?
Asiqala ukusebenza sobabili. It's been years.